Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
As we wrapped up last week's shortened trading due to Holy Week, the PSEi made a valiant attempt to rise toward the 6,200 resistance level. As the PSEi reached 6,186.10, the sellers did not allow the buyers to dominate, resulting to the index forming a lower high. This week, we watch with anticipation to see if the local benchmark can break through this hurdle and ascend towards the 6,400 resistance zone. A move that would certainly bring cheer akin to Easter morning. However, based on the indicators we are tracking, it appears that a retreat closer to the 5,800 support level is the more likely path in the near term. Still, as Easter reminds us, even after a dip comes the promise of a rise.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Universal Robina Corporation. URC continues to exhibit a general downtrend, but recent price action suggests a potential reversal may be underway. The stock appears to be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern, a classic bullish reversal formation. The stock is currently trading at 71.00. If it breaks above the neckline, we may open a position at 74.70, as this move could trigger a recovery towards the 200-day SMA at 87.20, implying an upside of approximately 17%. To manage downside risk, consider placing a stop loss at 69.15. Given that the reward-to-risk ratio for this setup is below 3:1, ensure that position sizing aligns with your individual risk tolerance.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.